In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Pipedrive pipeline. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll have a clean, customized pipeline that matches the way you actually work, instead of trying to fit your process into a default layout. First, go ahead and log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. In the sidebar, find the Deals icon, which looks like a little dollar sign. Click that to open your Deals view. This is where all of your pipelines and stages live, so any changes you make here will directly affect how you track your deals. At the top left of the Deals view, you'll see the current pipeline name. It might be something like Default Pipeline if you haven't customized anything yet. Click that pipeline name. A drop-down menu will appear, showing any pipelines you already have. From this drop-down, choose the option that says Create New Pipeline. This will generate a fresh pipeline for you to customize without affecting any existing ones. Pipedrive will usually call it something like New Pipeline by default. Next, let's rename it to something meaningful. Look for the small pencil icon next to the pipeline name. Click that pencil, and then type in a name that clearly describes what this pipeline is for. For example, you might name it New Sales, Onboarding, or Partnerships, depending on your workflow. Use a name that your whole team will immediately understand because you'll be using it every day. Now it's time to customize the stages within your pipeline. You'll see several stage names going across the top of your deals board like columns. Click directly on a stage name to rename it. Think about the steps a deal goes through in your process, from the first contact to closing. Rename each stage so it reflects a real step such as qualified, proposal sent, or negotiation. If you need more stages than what's already there, look for the plus button to add a new one. Click the plus, give the new stage a clear name, and place it where it naturally fits in your flow. You can adjust these later, so don't worry about making it perfect on the first try. Once you're happy with your pipeline name and stages, look to the top right of the screen and click Save. This is important because it locks in all the changes you've just made. And that's it. You've created and customized a new Pipedrive pipeline that matches your sales process and is ready for you and your team to start using.